When Turner Prize 2019 came to Margate, I worked as an apprentice in the shop, meeting and greeting thousands of customers. And now I've got a job interview on Monday for an exciting opportunity.
When the Turner Prize 2019 came to Margate, I had my work exhibited here in the old Primark building in the town, and now I'm hoping to move on and study at UCO Rochester in order to better myself in the trade of photography.
When Turner Prize 2019 came to Margate, I became a very busy drag queen. I put on several events as part of Margate Now. I performed lots and lots of places. Did an evening event at Turner Contemporary, where I did palm reading. And now I'm still a very busy drag queen.
When Turner Prize 2019 came to Margate, I got my first job working in the arts as audience development assistant here at Turner Contemporary. And now I've got new skills and networks, and I'm really looking forward to my future in the arts.
When the Turner Prize in 2019 came to Margate, I was creating a piece about place, and I also made an interview with the director of the Turner Contemporary, and now I plan on being part of the UCA Fine Arts course and continue my studies.
When the Turner Prize 2019 came to Margate, I volunteered to be part of the team to welcome all the visitors to the Here Sendon Festival Margate Now. And now our team has managed to meet over 5,000 visitors here, and we're really proud of what we're doing in Margate.